Hey everyone, Mike here again from J&M Reviews. Today I'm reviewing the Scotty Peelers. I've used these for years. I have several sets, so we use them to ship a lot of packages and boxes. So they come in all four of these. These three are plastic. This is also plastic, but this is metal. Be very careful with this. It is very sharp. So I've cut myself a couple times already using this. So what I like to do is when I'm going to remove a sticker or anything, I do not put my finger like on it or near. I keep my finger very away. And if anything, I might just do this and just peel like that the sticker. These they won't get cut or anything. They're plastic. They're not sharp in any way whatsoever. So they come in red, white, and blue. Very nice. They last a long time. I've literally had these for years. They've never broken, at least for me. Never had an issue. I have several sets because sometimes I might misplace one or I put it somewhere I can't find it. So I'm like, I'm just gonna have two, and just so I don't have to be looking for them. So if you need help with removing stickers or labels or anything, this is the go-to. So hope you check it out.